Hi, welcome everyone to Radhu's Food Court. Today we are going to see how to make pure filter coffee. Take a coffee filter like this. The bottom is used to collect the decoction. The upper part should be cleaned well so that all the holes are clear. Now, for 4 family members, we have to take 4 tablespoons full of coffee powder. Three and 4. Now 11. Too much. Just slightly press it. Then add half teaspoon of sugar so that the decoction will be extracted thick. This coffee powder is a blend of 85% coffee and 15% chicory. But you can even have 85 and 80 and 20% if you want to get little bit more stronger coffee. Pour just 50 ml of water little by little like this. And allow it to settle, close the vessel and allow it to settle so that this decoction will be filtering into the lower part. Now pour the entire water. Now close it. Now the entire decoction is filtered. See, this is the thickness of the coffee decoction. This is sufficient to make 4 cups of coffee. Now add half tumbler of milk. And pour 1, 2 and 3. 3.5 spoons of decoction and add sugar to your taste. The pure filter coffee is ready to taste.